this space. For the past 8 months, I've spent almost every day in this space with these people, creating what we envisioned as the perfect creative studio. But how did this all start? Why now? And why are we putting things on pause only 2 months after we launched? This is the story of Greenhouse. So it's early May when my friend Dragon calls me. He tells me he just signed a 4-year lease for this new space and wants to start a creative studio. This is about 2-3 months into the quarantine, so I pretty much have all the time in the world, and this project sounds really exciting to me. I talked to my good friends Jason and Renaud, and they're down to join. So we're now 5, it's July 6th, and it's finally time to move in. The space is just over 2,000 square feet, and we soon realize that there's a lot of work to be done.
Sometime I get a hump in my back. Sometime I'm going over here. Sometime can my honey come back. Sometime I'm on a red back jack. Sometime I get a hump in my back. Sometime I'm going over here. Sometime can my honey come back. Sometime I'm on a red back jack. Sometime I get a hump in my back. Sometime I'm going over here. Sometime can my honey come back. Sometime I'm on a red back jack. Sometime I get a hump in my back. Sometime I'm going over here. Sometime can my honey come back. Sometime I'm on a red back jack. Sometime I get a hump in my back. Sometime I'm going over here. Sometime.
It's September. We make a deal to all be equal partners in the business and begin building the brand.
Sometime I get a hump in my back. Sometime I'm going over here. Sometime can my honey come back. Sometime I'm on a red back jack. Sometime I get a hump in my back. Sometime I'm going over here. Sometime can my honey come back. Sometime I'm 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 way down low. Can my honey come back? Can my honey come back? Down low. Can my honey come back? Can my honey come back? Down low. Can my honey come back? Can my honey come back? Down low. Can my honey come back? Can my honey come back?
Yes. 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 Yes.
The open house goes great. 50 people show up over 2 days in respective time slots. We give a little plant to everyone, and the word starts to spread. With bookings coming in, we clock in $7,000 of sales, enough to pay rent and begin repaying the total investment. And with the steady stream of bookings, we started focusing on our own content.
Yes. Yes.
He told me he had an issue with you, like directly. Just like, bro.
At this point, I think I had a lot of potential. I think I could have gone a long way, and yet, I don't know, I can't say what I was about to say there.
After Christmas, tensions in the team start to rise. We all kind of want different things for the company's future, and it leads to a lot of disagreements. Some people start to lose trust in others, and soon enough, we're no longer really working as a team.
Hey!
It's sad to say goodbye to a project that we put so much energy into, but I can't say I regret any of it. Starting a business with 5 friends was maybe not the best business decision, but it was a lot of fun, and in many ways, it's what made Greenhouse so special. Personally, I always wanted something that was more community focused, while others saw it more as a production house, and so that's why I feel like it's better for everyone that we just put things on pause for now. And to everyone that supported Greenhouse so far, thank you.
Qu'est-ce que tu checkes, Renaud?
So yeah, Greenhouse as it is officially over. But the way I see it is that this is just the end of a first chapter.